Oh, hello. I'm Mr. Baker. Just reading a little bit about the immunology system as one does in their spare time. But you're here to learn about how to do better on the biology exam for our finals. Well, I've got some things that can help you. By the way, I've chosen to go maskless because we've got a nice ventilation system going through here with a nice breeze, and so we've minimized our risk as much as possible. If you go to your MyCC and scroll, you will find that there is a fall semester final exam topic page. If you click on that, you have a few things. For example, here are the class notes that I have narrated available on YouTube. Don't remember? Go back and listen to a mellifluous voice that will help you study. It's reassuring and yet calmly familiar. You could also go check out the Kahoots. You will need to sign up. You need to put in your Google MyCC account and then search for Lemieux S. It's there on the page. And then if you need other study skills, I highly recommend Crash Course. And here's their launch page that has a whole bunch of things that you can use to help you do better. So back to the topic page. Final exam. We're running this one for the fall is what we anticipate. 100 multiple choice questions, a couple tables, a couple FRQs. You'll have 2 hours. We construct it so it should be about 90 minutes. Grades, you'll find a percentage, and that's what's going to go in. Your total points earned over the points offered, and the percentage goes in. Scroll down, please. If you want to study for, a little bit up. If you want to study for exams, excellent video. Your class notes are available. I already showed you how to do Kahoots. I'm going to give you the FRQs ahead of time. I'm going to give you the tables ahead of time. So read your notes, then practice Kahoots, find the appropriate FRQ, go back over quizzes and test, make corrections if you got things wrong. Everything's in the notes. And here, if you click on this, test preparation, back up, click on that. This is what you might have. This is for the current chapter. One for the actual exam will be updated. So go back up to stop right there. Here's an FRQ. Nope, stay. A, B, C, D. There are multiple parts. Each FRQ is going to be worth some 10 points. So this part might be worth 3 points. This might be worth 3 points, 2 points, 2 points. This question is asking about types of training for humans and athletes. So you could practice this ahead of time. I strongly encourage that you do so. And make sure you get everything correct going back over your notes. So those are strategies. Back to our topic page. And you've got some study skills and study hats from ASAP Science. ASAP Science is very legit. What are things you can do? Well, the latest studies suggest there are 3 really good, effective study techniques to get the information into your brain. One is called hypercorrection. It's called pretest. So I want you to take the test. You don't remember anything from chapter 1? Go back, look up the Kahoots. But I don't remember. Well, if you get it wrong, that might be a little embarrassing. That's a better way to make the connection into your brain, to go from short-term to long-term memory. So practice them first. You also want to practice spacing. Spacing means you study for a bit, take a break, and then come back and study again. Maybe you practice for about 45 minutes, take a break, come back to it for 45 minutes. It's even a good idea to try to do it over days. So you will have weeks to prepare for your final. So maybe do one class one day, one class the other, and then you come back and the long-term memory retention is much higher. Interweaving combines skills. So you're going to do and try to do 2 different or 3 or 4 different things at one time. Evidence suggests, even though it's so frustrating to struggle, that your long-term memory retention is greater when you do this interleaving process. Well, those are some great study skills, and I hope that helps you. Study hard, and good luck.